As we speak, the West Indies are in the process of suffering a total series red ball, white ball sweep. 3-0 in the test series and trailing 4-0, trying to save face in the 5th and final T20. Thank God we don't have any ODI games on this tour, because we would worse get sweep in that format. Sad reality though. We had some exciting moments along the way. The bowling in the test series was good. The batting in the T20s been okay. But overall, the reality remains. The West Indies are awful at cricket right now. And when we get clobbered like this, especially in the T20 format, it more than sad, it now becomes melancholy. Drifting towards embarrassing. And it's not like we can do the usual thing of clutching to some positives. By the way, speaking of positives, what is score? What is score? What is the rain or fall? The game wash out? No, rain or fall. The game I play? No, God. What is score? God help me. God help me.